Okay, guys, here she is, Cosmos 1000 Angelic Edition, number 24, if I'm not mistaken. I believe this is number 24. I've had this case since 2009, and I built the computer in 2009, and I just redid one now with an X99 Deluxe by Asus, a CoolerMaster 280L water cooling system, a 5820K Intel i7 chip. Also have 16 gigabyte of Gskill Ripjaw 4 RAM, 2800. So here she is, and let's take her around to the back. And these are all the inputs in the back. This is for the Wi-Fi antenna, which you can see it's right here. Pretty cool. Works great. Also has Bluetooth as well. 10 USB 3.0 ports in the back. Optical output as well, and input. I'm sorry, I think it's input. I'm not sure if it's output. And a whole bunch of DVI and connections here as well as HDMI and mini HDMI, which is right there. Okay, so now let's open it up inside and see what she looks like. Alrighty, so here she is. This is the CoolerMaster 1000 Cosmos case, but this is just a Angelic edition. It's the same case as any 1000. It just has a paint job, a car quality paint job on it. That's all. Okay, and let's open this up. This is just to maintain airflow to the graphic cards. And here I have a EVGA GeForce 970 FTW for the win. I have a Corsair HX 1050 modular, semi-modular. And this is the CoolerMaster. The radiator up there. This is CoolerMaster 280L. It's a 280 millimeter radiator system with two 140 millimeter fans. Okay, and working really good. Keeps my CPU cool. I play games and mostly at highs around 50 Celsius, 52. Usually it's around 46, more or less. Pretty good cable management system. And they should have designed some holes back here and here, and it would have been great. Would have helped out a lot more. As you can see, I got all these SATA used up pretty much, except two of them down here. I have 6 hard drives, and I have 2 Intel 730 SSD drives, 480 gigabytes, running at 0 RAID. I have 2 Western Digital 4 terabytes, which gives me 8. And then I also have 2 1 terabyte really Western Digital as well. I'm sorry, these two 4 terabytes are HGST. That's what they're made from. They're made by HGFT. So, you know, so it's a pretty nice setup. Took me a couple of days because my back's not the same. So I gotta take it easy on the back. Now, okay, so let's put this back here. Okay, gotta make sure it snaps in there. Don't want this falling. This is a pretty soundproof case as well. It's got soundproof material, as you can see on here. Okay, then let's go to the front of the case. And here in the front, you can see I have 3 DVD burning drives. One is a Blu-ray. Two of them are just regular DVD burning drives. Something I found pretty cool was this. This is actually like a drawer, and you can keep all your USB flash drives in here, card readers, and you know, a little removable tray, and you could put also other things inside of it. So it's pretty cool. Fills in the gap. I have the other piece that goes here. It's just the same material as this. So here she is. My new rebuild 280 280mm cooling system. And again, this is the Cosmos 1000 Angelic edition case. So, okay guys, enjoy.